Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can merge clips in CapCut. So here you can see that I am in CapCut. Then you simply need to click on import and you need to import videos. So I'm going to import this clip first. Click on import again and import another video. And I'm going to paste that here. Okay. And then you simply need to go on select this video clip. Go on to the cutout, click on chroma key and click on color picker and select this color, and you need to adjust the strength and shadow. If you want you can auto cutout as well, so it is up to you. Okay, then I'm going to adjust this to show you the final result. So paste it here, and okay, so now you can see that. So now I'm going to show you the final result that I created. So here you can see that. So this is the process how you can merge clips in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.